wanna see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you but we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one.
Guys, welcome back to another day. Today we're actually starting the vlog kind of late. Well, it's almost 12. It's like 15 minutes to 12. I was actually up earlier. I was up around like 7 something, and then I came up around like 8 something. Ziggy just made some breakfast. We got some fried dumpling and jack mackerel. When I tell you guys I love tin mackerel, yo. Yeah, we went to Strawberry Fields yesterday. It was really, it was fun. I just feel like because we got there late, we get to fully experience it. It's one of those things where if you're gonna go there, you gotta go early. Leave out early, because it took us 2 hours from where we live to get there. Then to drive into the place, it was like another half an hour. So yeah, we were just like antsy. We wanted to reach. The water was so nice. The water looked really rough, but it was actually really nice. Yeah, it was fun. And then the kitchen closed early, but shout out to the lady who said, the chef said it's okay, she'll cook for us. That was nice. But yeah, if you guys are interested in checking it out, just because you're looking for something to do, highly recommend that you do go there, just because it was a nice setting. If you're more into like the chill vibes like we are, then that is somewhere you can add to your list. It's really nice. So we're actually heading to Ochi because I'm gonna meet up with one of my subscribers who actually does YouTube. What? I'm gonna link her YouTube on the screen. You guys check her out. She's actually donating some stuff for the fun day. I can't believe Christmas is this weekend. Like, it's so crazy how time flies. I think by the time this vlog goes up, it's gonna be super late, but that's okay. That's okay. I think I took 2 days to myself to not edit, well, to upload anything, just because also I was trying to make my videos kind of catch up too and let people catch up. Yeah, so I'm gonna go eat because we gotta get ready to head out. And yeah, we'll just catch you guys in the next clip. So guys, literally I just wet my hair. I'm like co-washing my hair with conditioner because I don't know, since I've been out here my curls have been nicer, my hair has felt nicer. It's right there, the purple one. I just see like my hair just feels like how it used to feel. It's falling how I want it to fall. But the only thing is my hair has been tangling like really easy, like super quick. Like yesterday we went to the beach and I think I wet my hair the day before. Yeah, day before. And then I was trying not to wet it with the salt water, but I actually been washing my hair in the salt water. And I wonder if that's what changed my hair. Maybe, but anyways, my hair is like all tangled again. Like look at this. This is all literally knots. But this brush right here, pardon the hair in it, but this is the Felicia Leatherwood. Can I get a toy? After, this is the leather. Felicia Leatherwood, I think her name is, brush. This brush is really good. If you guys look at this brush, it kind of looks similar to the other one that you guys usually see, but I think this was actually the original one before the other ones were made. Love this brush. This brush is really good. Really nice. But yeah, it doesn't tug on the hair, it doesn't pull the hair, and it really detangles hair. This is the brush I also use in Nyla's. Nyla's hair is thicker than mine. Highly recommend this brush. My camera's about to die, so I'll tune in back with you guys.
What's up? What's up?
So right now we're on our way to Ochi, as we mentioned earlier. We're just going out there to meet one of our followers. I'm pretty sure I already said all that, but I was filming with another camera, so I don't even remember. Oh, the last thing I was talking about was my hair. Yeah, so we left out. We're just heading that way now again.
Basically, we are going to Ochi idea. And I say instead of just go pick up and come back, because you've been there to see seafood. So when they check out the link, so we say we are going to check out what is it? Seafood Dave or Dave Seafood Brother. Dave and McMahon Company Road after the Pussy Road.
Yes. Originally we were supposed to go to Portland, this place in Portland. But it just didn't work out. Well, first of all, they didn't even get back to me. They said I called and then they told me I have to make a reservation through WhatsApp. I sent them a message, no one got back to me, and you can't just show up there, so that's written off. Their food looked really good. If you guys are in Jamaica and want a seafood place to go to, I will still share with you guys because the food looked really good. I don't know how the food is, but you have to make a reservation to go. And it's kind of pricey, I must say that. It's kind of pricey.
Are you scared to say it's pricey?
Let me tell you what it was, because when you send a message on WhatsApp, they tell you like to some people it's whatever. To be honest, because we've been to like Captain Boyle, we went to that lobster place in Scarborough, and it was kind of pricey. Seafood overall is just pricey, but for Jamaica, I don't know, man. I don't know. I just feel it's giving like tourist price. No one come to me in the comments, but that's what it's giving me. They don't have like a local price. I'm pretty sure if you were to use the same money you're gonna go sit here, you can use that money and buy seafood and cook it yourself. But so if you're looking for some
set of food or like what? Like just chicken or something.
That's what I'm gonna tell you. So we cater to couples and groups bookings. For a couple, the price is 25,000 GMD. That includes poultry, vegan, and pork meal. For seafood meal, the cost is $30,000. That's roughly like 200 and something Canadian, close to $300. Group pricing is available for 8,000 GMD per person. This includes chicken, pork, or vegan dishes. Seafood dishes are available at 9,000 GMD per person. Mixed dishes are also available at 10,000 GMD, including a mixture of different meats of your choice, including seafood. In addition to the above options, additional meats are available. Please contact for details. All meals include side orders, natural juice, coconut water. Cost of setup. Oh, that's why. And usage of the beach. Everything is included in the price. Because for them to set up, you have to pay for that. If you want to use the beach, you got to pay for it. I missed all that.
So that's what I'm saying. Like, then place a setup where you should just come.
Oh no.
I don't know. Maybe for me, but
nah, I get it still.
Thinking, because if you go buy regular food, just say I get regular food, not no seafood, nothing. $8,000, and then you go include tax in it too. You literally look on probably 10 grand a plate, or 9. Call it 10 grand. I ain't paying 10,000.
Well, let's talk about how the fact that you have to pay for them just to set up your table.
That's
like, it's not even like you're going into a restaurant and it's already set up.
Me get it, say things kind of expensive and stuff, but nah, bro.
And another thing that I totally get it. Like there's gonna be attractions here, but there's literally every single beach. It's like you have to pay to go in. For example, look at Burwood. Burwood's been a.
Pay no more.
You don't pay anywhere? They stopped it?
It's open.
Oh shoot! Okay.
That's what I seen.
I guess when we went there it was open. I don't know, but a couple of years ago when I was coming here, you have to pay to go in. Like, I think they tried something and it just didn't work. I think that's what it is. Cause there would be a lot of tourists that go there. Like you'll see them. But I don't know. I feel like some beaches they just need to let them be free, especially for like the locals. Like.
It's even that I feel like money did they make awesome, but some people they know say tourist settings and so they extra everything like fat up the price them are using it. You know what I mean? Like just be regular.
Even Blue Hole, when we first went to Blue Hole, well that was like when it first started. I think the guy just had to just give him something. There wasn't like a standard price. The price now, I don't even know the price now, but I don't know.
Nah, cause nobody price them.
Me either. Business,
everybody have their own opinion and options. If you don't feel like you want to go and spend it, you just don't go. For me, I'm not gonna go and spend all that, you know. And then if our family group come on, $8,000 per person.
Well, it could be $8,000, $9,000, or $10,000 per person.
So if you want a little steam fish, just say now steam fish, me I go 9,000 love one fish.
Bro, but the other day we bought 3 fish plus bammy, and the fish were big.
Right.
And we paid $10,000 for all of that. So now each person is gonna be obviously if you're going somewhere like that, the whole point is seafood. So now everyone's kind of settling. Well, people won't have to settle if they can't afford it.
I'm sorry.
For chicken, go so far for chicken.
$8,000 for chicken. And then it's like you go say, okay, eat and you can't eat again and you can't eat again. No, one plate, 8,000. One plate of chicken for one man. The one smarty. 8,000. Me not buy it, me sorry. Plus tax. Me sorry. Me not buy it. No disrespect.
And next thing too, let me tell you guys, if you come out here and you're planning to drive, take your time, keep your eyes on the road, because the stuff we've witnessed, the stuff we've almost encountered, like, it's actually insane. Actually, I'm not gonna say we've encountered more than 5 incidents, but people are just really selfish on the road. We had a police almost ran into us. Freaking police over. He didn't even say, okay, let me see if there's space. He just swang over, and Ziggy had to like, he couldn't even really swing because there was, on the soft shoulder, there was people. It was like on a strip where people are walking.
All the Nyla, it lick up with some like drop off and lick Nyla.
Oh, and we had stuff in the back of the car.
They literally have to just do it fast, like do it fast and come out the road and keep man. And the thing about is in a Havana light from way down so. It's like in a traffic and couldn't wait.
Yeah.
And he just turn on it and just swing out. The man say, yo, cuz, come on, man.
That's the next thing I've noticed too. The police out here, like, they don't want to wait in the traffic, they just turn the light on. Okay, watch this, guys, watch this. Look where this man's driving.
Probably I talking about that.
Let's see. So he just cut us, well, cut in front of us, but now he's driving on the soft shoulder. Come back over. So that's another thing too, like, how are people supposed to walk on the soft you know, I notice people kind of, they're like far over. They don't really walk on the...
Yeah, because they know they drive, you see me? It's like, my body not... You don't see how long we are coming down with the traffic today. Everybody start taking soft shoulder and a flash.
Go down.
So if somebody... They plan to come out and car for about PPR dashes.
Yeah.
They say, as in tip out, probably somebody slap him.
Crazy.
You have to be careful out there, man.
Yeah, be very careful. Well, we'll catch you guys when we're in Ochi. Still gotta find gift wrap paper.
Oh yeah.
Oh, let me tell you. Hold on.
Time too, so yeah, half hour left.
Let me tell you guys how the kids are so excited for the fun day. From when we came down, there was like any of the little kids that see me, they're like, Nisha, you're keeping a fun day? And I'm like, yeah. It's like they just know. But yeah, I can't wait for it. It's this Sunday coming up. By the time this vlog goes up, it'll probably be past the Sunday, like I said. But I know you guys are gonna be excited to see it. We are just excited as well.
Probably gonna live tonight.
I know, I was thinking that. But yeah, we'll catch you guys in a bit. That's exactly what I'm talking about, you guys. Look at this. This is the soft shoulder, you know, but because there's traffic, nobody wants to wait, so they drive up. Look how much more is coming. And then they just honk.
I need to.
Yo, it makes no sense. Like, Ziggy, go over a little, Ziggy.
Eh?
Go over this way a little. Bare traffic, you know, but they have no patience. So they come on the soft shoulder. So how are people supposed to walk? Like, you're literally not safe. Don't even walk on the soft shoulders when you guys come out here. And if you do, just watch your back and your front. Because it makes absolutely no sense. Watch, you're gonna see someone else pass, I guarantee you. Wow, I can't see. Or is it the mirror that's blurry?
But I just a taxi man, you know.
No patience.
You know, money have to make.
No.
So
Last night we seen something scary.
You see that?
Imagine a bus filled with. There's probably a good 30 people on that bus.
The bus they ram up, man.
The bus was rammed up. And when I'm talking bus, I'm not talking like a big
coaster.
One of the coaster bus. Okay. This man was swinging this way. You see the whole bus swing that way, swinging this way. The man all swing out and almost hit into another car and had to swing back in.
Why you know a pass? Even like basically he swing out and they go past the one truck. Remember if I want truck in they go past. What was that? Him they try to beat the truck, but something they come same time and he still try to beat the truck and swinging back fast. Or is he that go head on with that they carry? And
mind you, where we were, it was like a small road. So I don't know,
But then remember, right, that's when we are come off the KFC.
Oh yeah.
In the turning lane.
Guys, so we were here last night.
Yeah.
So the turning lane, so it's either you're going straight and then you have your middle lane to turn to go this way. Wherever this car is. This is where we were. We were actually like, you see where this black car is? We were coming over like that. Not people in this lane that we're in now. This car came and driving head on towards us, even though it was our lane, just to cut over traffic.
Yeah, man. So
like it. That's what I'm telling you guys. When you're coming out here, don't just. Usually when I come out here, I'm not even scared to drive. Like usually I'm like boom boom. But now, you have to really be paying attention.
Yeah, you have to look out there, yeah. But the yeah ball them.
People don't use signal, but the one thing they use the most is their horn. They're so horny, as my dad would say. Oh God. But anyways, we're almost in Ochi. I feel so bad because we're stuck in traffic. We actually would have been there on time, but it's this traffic. But the same thing happened yesterday.
Yep.
Yeah, yesterday was bad. But guys, we have so many plans and stuff that we want to share with you guys, but we have to wait until stuff is like confirmed. But speaking it into existence, this energy
This
that
is
is
for sure. It is for sure.
I don't know. I would love to just move out here, to be honest. We've been talking about it from like last year, and then we said, okay, we're gonna move out here this year, March. Didn't happen because, well, I think I've mentioned this before, but because we bought the house and we're trying to like focus on that, plus just other stuff that we're investing in, so it's like, you know, that kind of drew away from that. But being out here, man, like, holy, I miss out here. I miss being out here for a long time.
Get him. Now you come. Sure.
Oh God. Oh yeah, we're almost in Ochi. Ochi.
Eat a local, huh?
So now we're in Ochi. Reach out in Ochi. The last time we went up the hill because we were going somewhere else, but now we're like in the town. Town's busy. Yo, when it's Christmas time, yo, the place is just... You did it? It's just extra busy. What? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, you did it? Let me see. Good girl.
Jamaica, you see that people just walking that road, you know what I mean?
Right?
Mom, let me do the bumper.
Oh, sorry.
People just walking the road, big light.
Ochi's nice.
Or that's my brother when I'm on barber shop. Right off somewhere.
Ochi kind of... Oh. Ochi kind of remind me of Mobay in a way. Like when you're in the town.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I told her we're coming around. Oh, we could have came to Ochi to get toys. Where's their Christmas tree? Their Christmas tree. I see everyone posting up their Christmas tree saying this is what their town have. Where is it?
Clock.
No, the clock is not their tree. I've seen someone post it. Someone posted. Because they post one town and...
Parking?
I don't know. They post one town and I guess it was like a little dinky tree and people sent it into blast or whatever and I must end up replace it.
What you mean?
So I just got some jackfruit.
You're trying to waste no copy, waste man jackfruit and money down there.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Nyla, what's he talking about, Nyla?
Hungry, mama?
What's he talking about, Nyla?
You want chips?
She wants popcorn.
You want food?
No popcorn.
No popcorn!
I want it.
I want it!
Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. I ain't gonna do it. Say hi to the vlog. I ain't gonna do it.
Which one them you want?
Just anyone, a small one.
Yeah. Eh? No,
No, just one, just one.
Just she one.
Oh. Give him a bill, Ziggy?
Yeah, man, give me other bills. I give you other bills. The 5 is a feet, the 4 you give me.
Yeah, yeah.
man.
Damn. Wait, pepper shrimp! Yeah.
Yo, look at 5 bills.
You guys, this was 5 bills.
Look at 5
No, wait.
I'm dead.
Hold on. Listen, guys, I used to come out here and get pepper shrimp, not 5 bills, $100.
Go 5 bills.
It's in here, Ziggy.
Yeah.
Huh? This? Pepper shrimp? You want to try it? No, not as pepper. Guys, I used to come out here and buy this for a bill.
The people them probably say with them everywhere we go with them ball on the people them price.
No, but take this in. I feel like once they look at me, they're like, they look at Ziggy, look at me, and then they give him a price. So I told Ziggy, I'm like, let me start sitting in the back. No.
Actually, no. Yes, man, go on your fire.
You're lucky your windshield thing don't work. When I tell you the people them, shout out to the people them that hustle out here.
Yeah, no 50 left.
No.
Move with it.
Big up yourself. Yo, that's they on the road, you know. They on the road. Yo.
Should have to someone else motivation.
Oh, seriously.
Wow.
Oh God.
What do you say? This block off?
Go that way.
Which one she said she did? Fontana?
Oh, let me see my phone, Nyla. Oh, she's right there. Hey.
What? Gunners? Gunners jersey, what do you mean? So serious spark is me I make for hours.
She's over there, Nyla.
Every time I park in them lean. Damage.
Oh God. Hello, looking so beautiful. Ooh. Hi. We're kind of matching.
Yeah.
Kind of. Your makeup looks so pretty.
Is that a camera? Oh.
What?
I didn't realize it was like that small.
Oh, yeah, I just got this when I came down here. Because I can't with this big camera and people out here, they're too funny, man.
Yeah.
But what's your YouTube channel? Tell me your YouTube channel again.
Michaela Hafizula.
And I'm
Mikayla
Yeah.
space HAFFIZULLA.
Yes, I'm gonna link it on the screen so you guys can follow her. Are you in an LDR as well?
Yes.
Okay, so she's also in an LDR. This is her partner, so you guys can check them out. I've been watching her vlogs. So yeah.
I told him Ziggy.
Really? Oh yeah. Yeah,
Long
man.
drive for you guys?
Not really. It's just so much traffic. Like holy. Like yesterday we went out somewhere that way. We almost ended up in Portland, and the traffic was just crazy. We went to like Strawberry Field. Yeah. Even like coming into Ochi, there's so much traffic. A lot of traffic. Yeah.
Oh, that's my boyfriend tomorrow.
Hi, nice to meet you, Nisha. Nice. How long are you? I'll tune back in with you guys in a bit. Ready? Got not Nala here playing shy.
Yeah, we do one next fall.
Oh, this.
NKT and now go out, you know. Yeah, but then now get so far.
I think it's the products that we say. But like my hair will go bigger. But I like how my hair is big.
Ready, B?
Everyone always say that. Everyone's like, oh my god, I thought you were tall. And I'm like, oh, I'm
How to see that? The eyes don't look like you.
Make sure they look good.
Just let me take a picture, yo. See, you break it.
So as I told you guys earlier, Michaela, they're sponsoring the GoFundMe. So big up yourself, Michaela and hubby. We really appreciate it. Oh shoot.
You're welcome.
Oh wow.
Anything for the youth then.
Yes, big up the youth them. Yes.
Say hi to my little vlog, Nyla.
Say hi to our vlog. Say hi.
Sun is not letting us be great.
But yeah, we appreciate all the support that we've been getting from our subscribers. Oh wow. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh. Make sure you guys go over and subscribe to her channel. Let me tell you, So before she even reached out to me, I was already watching her vlogs, and I'm like, wait, what the hell? Just when I saw your picture, I'm like, I swear, remember I said that to you?
Yeah,
like, I watch your videos. But yeah, make sure you guys go and subscribe to her channel. Like I said, they do Jamaican vlogs. She's in an LDR with her hubby as well, with the camera won't flip, but you guys won't be disappointed. From I'm watching it, you guys already know it's good. So
Yes.
yeah.
And Nisha, I'm pretty sure everyone.
So guys, we just left Michaela. We're just in Fontana's because I need to get some wrapping paper. Finally found some. Yeah.
Wrong place. Come over here.
Finally found, where is it? The wrapping paper.
Recently.
$6.99. I'm gonna get 2 of this. How much is it? Wait, these are thick, so I'm gonna grab these 2.
Okay.
I need to check something else.
Come take this, guy. When you start shopping.
Yo, guys. Y'all see how Ziggy is in Canada? Look, already. I literally just want to see if they have this like tree scrub thing. And there's I lost just something in my eye. There's this body scrub that I've been trying to find in Canada and I can't find it there. So I want to know if they have it here. Don't think they have it.
Yeah.
This tea tree body scrub. I thought I would be able to get it here.
Come.
No. I think they're so bad. Like, it's a specific brand that I'm looking for. Maybe they just don't have it.
Oh, green tea.
Hold it, Ziggy. I don't think they have it. It's okay. Oh, lotion.
This is good lotion. Coconut butter.
Cocoa butter? Oh, yes! This is it. Oh my god, I found it. Yeah, I've been trying to get this, but we can't get this in Canada. How much is it here? Sorry, no, I said the tree hut. Sugar scrub. Shea. So this is tropical mango. I'm probably gonna end up getting 2 of them. How much is it? $23? Dang.
Yay, this is cool. I didn't press this button.
Whoa, that's so cool.
You have to press it. And it has candy so you can catch something. But I have a t-shirt.
Rock and Rose.
Mommy, I got
Vlog, what is it?
a shirt, candy.
Yeah.
And you have to open the front.
Dude, I was trying to show you they had more if you want different, but I guess those 2 are big, so that's the good thing about it. Do they have tape? Tape? The one I brought is almost done. Ooh. I need something for the books, like clear, like this. One of these. I saw it somewhere. Right here. Huh? The clear. Sorry. But this is so. Do you have anything smaller than this? Like a little smaller? Seems like I don't need that much.
Oh, so you need to purchase like a yard.
Yeah. You can't do that? Oh, okay. Thank you. Right there. Or no, sorry, there. Yeah, thank you. Come, Nyla. Come on. Z, you needed this.
Yes, if you watch it on YouTube.
Who? Which one?
These are the stuff.
Oh.
No, you just
Oh,
whatever
oh,
in the store.
Oh, and then it what?
That one
Yeah, so
specific.
And then it goes to somebody?
Yes.
Oh. So how do we know what to buy? I don't know what to buy. Omar?
but then when you say you could just gear something and then you could have just buy seeing it.
Yeah, if we can do that.
Yeah.
Um,
But then I don't know what. Like,
yeah. How much, right? So,
Buying a gift.
we're buying a gift.
Yes.
For,
For the mustard seed.
okay.
Like a shelter.
Yes.
Okay, guys, so we're in Fontana. We were just leaving, but right now we're basically sponsoring someone in like a shelter or in need of some stuff. What is it?
Mustard seed. It's
Okay.
on there.
Okay, so we picked someone. I'm not gonna share his information, but right now we're. What's your name?
Jessica.
Jessica. We're with Jessica, and she's gonna help us pick up some stuff for our person. So we're just gonna get some, I guess, body essentials since that's needed. So like some Colgate. Well, let me get this off my hands. Ziggy, drop this in the bag. So y'all already know that when it comes to giving back, we're all about giving back. So we'll pick up a toothpaste and a toothbrush. Thank you.
Are they like active or? Oh, okay.
Okay, what else? A body wash and deodorant. Listen, Ziggy, what's the one you use? This one? Because I love these ones. Guys, put 3? So you need a basket? Yeah, okay. Now let's pick up 2 more. Yeah. You have some more?
Whatever you get off like everything, or you just sit there? Yeah.
Oh, you get some? Oh, okay. Okay. And then a body wash. Yeah, you guys want to go on YouTube? Okay, so we're just getting body wash.
It'll be cold in here.
Yeah? The price is on them. What else? Lotion. I just bought myself one of these. So we're gonna get him one of these. Let me help you. What else? Maybe like a spray. Oh god, how much are the sprays? Are these? Oh, these are all women. That's good, right? Okay, all right. So go to the cashier now. Okay. Right here. Okay. So we're just gonna go cash out, and we picked up some stuff. Huh? Oh, do you guys have like socks? Or no? Yeah, they do have it. You want it? Jamaican socks. And a rag. Oh, and rag. You have rag? Come. So we're just gonna go pick up 2 final things. Is it a lot of people that you guys are like sponsoring or? Okay.
Now we have 4 persons.
Oh. Out of how many? Roughly. Oh wow. And 4 left? That's so nice. Just any. This one? Here? And then just a rag. Okay, that's good. And the socks, yeah. She said out of like 30 people, they have 4 people left. Yeah. It's actually really good. Right? This is all the stuff that we bought for our person. I'll take one. So I'll add it with this.
Okay, yeah.
Big up yourself, Jessica.
Thank you for the support. We
No
appreciate
worries.
it.
Yes.
Mustard seed.
Yes. Thank you for letting us know about it.
Yeah.
All right, have a great day at work. All right, bye. So yeah, we just left Fontana. We got our everything that we needed, and on top of that, we got to give back to someone, which was really nice. So big up yourself, Jessica, if you see this vlog. Yeah, it's Christmas time, and you know, it's just always nice giving back. And you guys already know when it comes to give back how Ziggy and I are. It's always nice to bless someone if you can. It's Christmas time, you know. It's the little things that count. But yeah, we're just gonna head back home right now. Probably get something to eat. I don't know. Is you hungry?
Yeah.
I'm just happy that we finally got the wrapping paper, because that was a mission. Yeah. Stop to get some. I do want lobster. You know how to cook it? He's the chef. He's the chef. So anyways, we're about to get some lobster. I've been dying for lobster. And then they also have some other fish. So you can get that one, or what kind of fish you said this was?
Parrot.
Parrot? Okay, let's try it. Yeah. I'll eat anyone.
This fish are better for you. The only thing with them on the like some.
The bone.
Oh, but you have slip on it as well.
Is that 1 or 2 string?
1 string.
So how much is that one, I guess? Ask how much that one is. So we're literally just on the strip, like when you're going into Ochi. Yeah.
Where's that one?
How much is that? How much is it?
12.
I don't need that much. Probably just me eating the lobster.
You want the side?
How much?
Yeah. If they can give me one side, make it.
6
Take that one?
How much money have you?
14, I think.
Just go to them and put them them tonight.
Yeah. I want like 2 lobster to myself.
Yeah.
Is that greedy? They're dead, right? They're dead?
Yeah, not too long.
Tail part,
Yeah, you know?
the tail part is slap.
Yeah, but listen, I'm going to pop out the bottom and dash it, you know.
Eh?
Don't pop off the bottom and dash with the head.
Split it right up and clean out the little mess. It's a knife and things up. That's how I wash it. But enough people dash it head and so I will.
I soup we normally make with the head.
Oh, the head.
Yeah. So we yes. How much? That's not on it?
Yeah, it's not bad.
How much is? Wait, you want the other one, right? You're taking one,
No, the fish.
but you're not getting snapper, right?
I think.
No, I think it's 1 string. Double check. Is it? How much the price for that? Is it 1 string or
All of
everything?
that is 12. All of that
Yeah.
is 12.
Okay, so I want to say.
Just one side.
Which one you want?
I low-key want snapper, but you said you guys want to try something else?
Anything what you want?
The one you like?
Let me try this one. So how much you need? How much is that? Ziggy wanted to take me to this restaurant because I've been dying to eat seafood, okay? But we were just driving back home on the Ochi strip, I guess. Or just,
Yeah, Ochi.
Ochi.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
You're hungry?
Yeah.
What do you want?
What do you want?
Bring me popcorn
Pop,
chicken.
you want popcorn chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Ziggy just stopped at this guy and literally we got, how much lobster?
So 5.
5 or 6 lobsters and they're big, plus 6 or 7 fish?
6 fish.
6 fish.
6 big size fish.
Big size fish, and we just spent
That's just $12,000.
$12,000, which is not bad.
Because
First-
one fish, remember 1 pound of fish, $1,000 basically, and that has 6 fish,
Yeah.
6-7 fish, so that would be $6 grand.
Literally, okay.
Yeah,
when
so it's right.
we went to Strawberry Fields for 1 fish, we paid $3,000 for. That was just fried.
Yeah, but when you look about it.
When you look, yeah. So,
Oh yes, you're right. Because if you cook it, then it go even more expensive.
yeah. But that was a good deal, anyways. The guy, that was a good deal. Ooh. But anyways, it's literally just better to buy the stuff and cook it. Nothing wrong with going out and having fun, but to the way how inflation, everything at this point, buy your own stuff and go and cook it. I'm so excited right now.
Yeah, so
How about
just
water?
go and go. Just box up some right now.
And literally the restaurant we were about to go to is right there. And then I'm just eating some pepper shrimp. So yeah, I need both my hands right now. But we're heading up home now.
And this is my new cat house.
Cat house, yeah.
I mean my unicorn house, and it's broken.
It's broken?
Yeah, and I fixed it now.
Who broke it? You broke it?
Yeah, my aunt.
Then why did you broke it?
Anyways, guys, we'll catch you guys when we're back.
Because Daddy's my friend and he's keep doing something.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, you had an apple.
Oh. How are you going? You look like a butch. Huh? No on the light. Anyway, on the pan. Watch him. Watch him. Everybody near me.
Who's that?
You. Catch him. Watch him. Everybody near me. Everybody eat.
Why are you doing that? Can you see that?
What do you mean, see what?
Can you see like? Oh.
You know. So I don't know today. Me end up on the road. Cause me and I carry me I want to nice funny and then me want me see check light chip in. You know? But anyway, before me even go no further, please like, share, comment, subscribe. You know? Click up the notification bell. Boom, you know, so you can clock in for every notification or how I go on. But you don't know, check in because a couple days from now it's the fun day. Who are you talking to? Oh. So right now me in the kitchen is usually not all. But today me in the kitchen. I'm gonna cook some lobster. Easy. So that me a chef up for today. And then you don't know what go on. What go on. So I that me the pan for today and some rice, you know. Probably already have some dumpling because she said she can't do the whole for white rice. Renee, make sure you let food for you, man. Because I don't cook nothing else. So I go look about maybe some. Or if anything, me make some mashed potato. Or something else. Pally, where they go? Pally, where they go? Watch him, watch him, watch him. So yeah, go in and say nothing. Nobody out there? Oh. So yeah, I that I go on for me show you what liquor I go on. So come on boy, come on. Yeah, right there, so there, buddy. You don't know, say somebody smell chef up in the night and some coconut lobster. You see me with the coconut juice and everything in it, you see me? That liquor settings here, big up to Chef Mike. Chef Mike, I'm turning the mic, camera, that's it. Chef Mike, big up yourself, you see me? More when you see me in the kitchen, I'm not just in the kitchen, you see me? And even when you see me just looking at what I go on, and I like me just sit down there and just have meds, you see me? Once you see me today, I take in what I go on. So you don't know how this other settings they come from. Which is me never actually tried before. But today I say I will do some lobster. Again, as usual, so as I say, how this thing come from. Big up yourself, and then vlog on the other camera lock off, so I have to watch it again. I like butcher the dead over here. So come and go just stay in the kitchen and make we cook down everything and everybody see what I go on. As usual, I not use nothing too tough. I will use my curry, my all-purpose, my fish seasoning, all liquor remedy in it to see his feed, but that's just some typical seasoning, you don't know. I just like you do your curry, that's some me look funny, but for lobster I try include something else in it to get a liquor more flavor in it, you see me? But what I go do now, I go season them up and I go and cut up some greens and just go and dash in the pot, set on some rice. When everything done, hopefully you know they see me, they check in for the vlog. And again, like, share, comment, subscribe. You don't know, click the notification bell and just click all. Soon coming back again. Banger.
Yeah.
How?
Where you at? Where you at? Hey, another pose. Hey, another pose.
I know how to do it.
Hey, another pose. So I guess the battery. Hold on. Let me get Daddy first. Battery died on the chef over here. Look at, watch him. Wussy, watch him. I'm gonna cook up lobster. Y'all better get one of these.
Mommy.
Get you a man that can cook.
Hi, guys.
What have you been doing? Tell them what you've been doing. Playing with your friends? Okay.
Fresh.
The fact that I didn't even know this tilted is insane. Yes, chef. Live and direct.
Mommy, that's my daddy's chef.
That's your dad.
My daddy.
So should we go?
Daddy, what are you making? Daddy, fish? I like fish.
I know you do. You love fish.
I don't see a lot of fish.
No limit, got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. Give you that black card. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. No limit. I see murder that. No limit, baby. Give you that ghetto D, girl. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. So if you've never been, girl, I would just love to take you there. You don't have to worry about a thing. I gotta let me.
Guys, not me supposed to show you guys the final results. Even though I already started eating it, but it tastes so good. God bless Ziggy. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one.